So I know this will sound a little silly, but I actually really like these kinds of questions. Now, if ever you forget what some of these words mean, pun intended, you could go to our program stats. So let's go ahead and click on programs. And stats is one of the last programs. So you could press up to wrap around, go up to stats. And it's one of those programs that's simply informational. So it reminds us, oh, mean is average. Okay, excellent. So they say the average, the mean, is 325. And they're talking about for these 5 months. Well, how do you average 5 of anything? You have to add them all up and then divide by 5. So if we add 400, our x, which we don't know, and our other 3 values, and then divide by 5, they're saying we'd get 325. Now, personally, I like to always make it so that if you have a fraction on one side of the equal sign, you produce a fraction on the other side simply by putting it over 1. Then I can cross multiply. Now, 1 times anything is that other thing. And as I rewrite it, I'm going to go ahead and combine like terms. So I have x plus, and I'm going to go ahead and add those other terms. So we have 400 plus 286, 350, and 290. So we have 1,326 equals, and then for the other cross product, you have 5 times 325, which gives us 1,625. Now to get x by itself, we don't need to use solver on a problem like this. It's so straightforward. So I'm just going to go ahead and subtract the 1326 to the other side. And I might just put it in my calculator right away without showing any work here. And I get 299.